Water damage moves fast. In just 24 hours, mold can start growing and your floors can buckle. Here's exactly what to do first. First, stop the water. Find your main shutoff valve near the water meter or under the kitchen sink and turn it off immediately. Next, cut power to flooded rooms at your breaker panel. Water and live electricity are a deadly combination. If the panel is flooded, call your utility company first. Before you move anything, record video of every wet surface and damaged item. Your insurance adjuster needs this evidence to process your claim. Use a wet-dry shop vac to pull standing water off hard floors right away. For carpet, extract what you can, then peel it back so the pad underneath can breathe. Lift furniture off wet carpet or slide aluminum foil under wooden legs. Dye and stain can permanently damage carpet within just a few hours. Run your air conditioner to dehumidify, especially in Texas summers. Keep windows closed and let the AC pull moisture out of the air while it cools. Never run a regular vacuum on standing water. It creates an electrocution risk. And skip the space heaters. They push moisture deeper into walls instead of drying them. Act fast and get expert help. Call MCC Restoration and Contracting Services at 682-772-9123 for a free